Welcome to React Training session. In this session, we are going to see what is a React UseEffect Hook. So, guys, all right, let's start. So, guys, what is a React UseState Hook? Uh, so, we have seen earlier that UseState Hook is a use to use the state inside our functional component. So, the same way we have the one more hook, that is UseEffect Hook. So, what is a UseEffect Hook? So, UseEffect Hook is a used for doing the side effect inside our functional component. So, what are the side effects or what kind of side effect we can do with the help of UseEffect is side effects are like fetching a data from the API or updating a DOM node directly or setting up the subscription or the timer, we can say. So those kind of side effect we can do inside our function based component using the effect hook, or we can say use effect hook. So what use effect hook does, it allows us to do a side effect, or we can say, let's say we want to show the list of user after component is mounted inside the DOM. So we can do that using the use effect. So it is kind of one kind of it is one kind of side effect. So use effect is a close replacement of a component did mount, component did update, and component will unmount life cycle methods. So the three life cycle methods could be handled by a single use effect hook in a in a function based component. So as we say that it is a replacement for the these three methods in a mounting, unmounting, and updating phase. So how to use the use effect, and how to use it in real component. So to demonstrate that, I have created a one simple demo component. Before that, I would like to tell you why the use effect is introduced in a React. So so the reason for the introduction to the use effect is the component did mount, component did update, and component will unmount was not able to group the related code in a single method, and it was allowing the duplicacy. So to avoid that, those two things, the React community developer, or we can say React devs, React community has decided to introduce this use effect hook. So how to use this use effect hook, we'll see in a detail with the help of example. So let's say I have created one example with the name that is use effect demo. It's my functional component. So in this functional component, what I have created one message variable, that is it's my state variable. I have created it using the use state hook, and simply I'm printing that variable inside my JSX. So what it will print first? So welcome to React. It is printing first welcome to React. So let's quickly add this component inside our app component. So I have added already. So now if we run this code, we'll get we'll get the output like welcome to React. Now, what is our goal? Our goal is to change this message when our component is mounted for the first time. We want to change this message to welcome to React hook after a 5 second. So, how we can do that? We can do that using with the help of use effect, and inside that use effect, we will do a side effect, that is we are using the timer, and with the help of that timer we are going to change this message to welcome to React hook. So let's use so how to use the use effect. So first step is to import the use effect. So I have imported use effect. Now first step is complete. Now second step is we need to define the use effect hook. So use effect takes a two parameter, that is first parameter is a callback function, and the second is the optional parameter, that is dependency array. If you pass this dependency array, then it will work like a component did mount, unlike our class based component. So if you want to run our effect, or if you want to run our side effect when our component is mounted for the first time inside the DOM, then we can do that using the use effect by passing the second parameter as a blank dependency, or we can say blank dependency array. So now we have created a boilerplate for our use effect hook. Now our goal is to change the message using the timer. So let's use a set timeout for that. So I am using the set timeout. So set timeout also take a two parameter. First one is a callback function to be executed, and the second one is a millisecond, that is number of millisecond. Now I have to change my message after the 5 millisecond. So I have passed here the 5000 millisecond, sorry, not 5 millisecond, 5 second I want to change the message. So I have passed here as a 5000 millisecond. So let's change the message inside this callback function, that is set message. So inside this set message, what message we want? So we want this message like welcome to react hook. Now let's see. So we have created our use effect. We have added a set timeout for that, and in the set timeout callback function, we have added the set message setter function for updating the state. So once our state update, our component will re-render, and this message will change from welcome to react to welcome to react hook. Now let's run this code. Now you can see, first we are going to see what will happen when our component is mounted for the first time. Now I am again reloading my window. First we will see the message like welcome to react, and after 5 seconds we are we will see the welcome to react hook. Now you see our our message has changed after the 5 milliseconds. So this was the side effect we have done using the use effect hook. So this was the one use case for now. So there are the two more use cases, that is we can use the use effect for mimicking the behavior of component did mount, component did update, and component will unmount. So we are going to see those two remaining in next videos. So guys, thank you guys for watching. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.